Hello, SakaFed. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making a stuffing recipe, but instead of bread, I am going to use some seasoned croutons. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get cooking. I have been heating up this non-stick skillet. I think it's ready now. Yeah, it is. So I'm going to add my sausage to it and start frying. And you can hear it. It's nice and hot. Now I like to cook the sausage before I add it to my stuffing mix, just because I want to get all that fat out of it. This way I can drain it and it's not so greasy. And you can see it's a lot of fat in here. So I have been frying this up for a couple minutes now. And it's starting to brown a bit. You can see some of the browning too. So just let it cook. It should cook for a good 5 to 6 minutes. See, that sausage is ready now. It's all nice and brown. Look at that there. Nice and brown, so it's good. Really. So I'm just going to take it off. And what I'm going to do is just set this aside because I'm going to do the veggies. I'm just going to use another pot and add some butter to it, but before that I'll let it heat up a bit. So my pan is hot. I'm going to put some butter in there. Oh, it's nice and hot. Whoa. And next thing, I'm just going to add this onion and garlic and everything in there. So I'm just putting everything in there, and that's fine all at once. This is a no-fuss recipe. I think the hardest thing is cutting up the veggies. Once you have your veggies cut up, it's smooth sailing from there. I'm going to cook that down now. I'm going to put my black pepper in there. So it's cooking down, and I got a piece of thyme here. I just want to take the little leaf off of that. I kind of missed that one piece. Okay. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. Look at that, eh? So colorful, so appetizing. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. Next thing I'm going to do, and this is cooked enough. You can see it's starting to sprout liquid. So I'm just going to add this sausage to that. And I'm not taking the oil. I'm leaving all that fat behind in the pan. And this, just want to mix it all in. It smells so good. Now croutons I'm using in this recipe. And you know, sometimes it depends on the time of year. You might want a stuffing dish, but you might not always be able to find that that stuffing bread. It's not always readily available. I tried croutons and it's actually very delicious. So this is what I'm using today. And this croutons, this is already seasoned. It has parmesan and garlic. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour it in. And I have my chicken stock. So you just want to put that on top of that, get it all moist. But if you want to try this recipe, just put as much as you think you need. Okay, because like I said, it's going to swell. Going to absorb your liquid here. So I'm going to use my stock. I'm using a whole box of stock because I want it nice and moist, and it's going to go in the oven. And that's it, it's nice and moist. I'm going to go and put it in my pan, and then I'll transfer it to the oven. This is the pan I'm going to cook it in, and I can serve it in the same dish, so makes it a lot easy for cleanup. And just spray some spray in there. And you know, if you don't use the whole amount, like I could always freeze this and use it at a later date. So now I got it all in my cooking dish, and I'm going to pat it down nice. This, and my oven is already heating. I have it's heated to 375. So I'm going to cover it up, and now I'm just going to put it in the oven, and I'll save for 40 minutes, and then I'll check it after 40 minutes. So it's been 40 minutes. What I'm doing now, I'm just going to take the lid off, and I'm going to put it back in the oven. So this is the stuffing, just out of the oven. Look how nice and brown. I'm going to let it sit for a bit. You want to let it sit for about 10 minutes before you get into it, and then I will show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to give it a try. And this would be nice with some cranberry sauce right now. It's so delicious. There's a little bit of crunch still on the croutons. That is good. And there you have it, guys, our delicious stuffing made with croutons. We look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, you have a great day, and God bless.